standard 9th, chapter number 2nd, that is a real number. त्याला आपण मराठीत म्हणतो वास्तव संख्या. Before starting that chapter, we are recall some numbers that we have seen in a previous chapter, that is our sets. First number is our n. N means our set of natural number. Set of natural number. That's equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 curly bracket is complete. After natural number, next set is comes our W. W means set of whole number. Set of whole number. That's equal to, in curly bracket, 0, 1, 2, dash, 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 curly bracket is complete. सेट ऑफ होल नंबर म्हणजेच काय, पूर्ण संख्यांचा संच. देन आय, सेट ऑफ इंटीजर. सेट ऑफ इंटीजर. सेट ऑफ इंटीजर म्हणजेच पूर्णांक संख्यांचा संच. पूर्णांक संख्या म्हणजे डॅश 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 -3, -2, -1, -0, -1, -2, -3, dash dash dash. नंतर Q. Q म्हणजे मीन्स सेट ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर. सेट ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर. सेट ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर म्हणजे परिमेय संख्यांचा संच. नाउ इट कॅन बी डिनोटेड बाय इन curly bracket P upon Q such that P comma Q belongs to I and Q is not equal to 0. Now P upon Q म्हणजे काय, न्यूमरेटर and denominator. And both that numbers, numerator and denominator, both are belongs to our set of integer. And denominator is not equal to the 0. We have seen some examples, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 4. That are the examples of set of rational number or rational number systems. After that, that is a new set, that is a R. R means our set of real numbers. Set of रियल नंबर. सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर म्हणजे वास्तव संख्यांचा समूह किंवा वास्तव संख्यांचा संच. Now all of you knows that in our first chapter in math first, that is a set. All of you knows that n means natural number. Natural number is a subset of W. Then whole number is a subset of our set of integer, and set of integer is a subset of our rational number, and rational number is a subset of here our real number. Simple way, by using our set notation, we say that the R is our real numbers, and real number is also known as here this is our universal set for our set language. Now after that we see that the order relation of rational number. Next point we see that order relation of rational number of order relation of rational number. Order relation of rational number means परिमेय संख्यांमधील असलेला काय क्रमसंबंध आपल्याला बघायचा आहे. which thing we are seeing now here? Order relation of rational number. Now, let A upon B, comma, A upon B and C upon D are rational number. Are rational number. And by we know that the definition of rational number, denominator is not equal to 0, or we say that denominator is greater than 0. Here is a B is greater than 0, comma D is also greater than 0. म्हणजे परिमेय संख्येच्या व्याख्येनुसार छेद काय नको आपल्याला? शून्य नको, किंवा तो कसा आहे? शून्यापेक्षा मोठा आहे. B is greater than 0 and D is greater than 0. Now that two rational number A upon B, C upon D. आता क्रमसंबंध म्हणजेच काय? लहान मोठेपणा आपला बघायचा असतो. कोणती संख्या, कोणती परिमेय संख्या मोठी आणि कोणती परिमेय संख्या लहान आहे. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग वी नो दॅट द क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन म्हणजेच काय? तिरकस गुणाकार. नाउ फर्स्ट मल्टिप्लिकेशन, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पहिला गुणाकार मराठीमध्ये. A into T, A into D. If that first multiplication is greater than second multiplication, B into C. That second multiplication which? B into C. Means numerator of second into denominator of first. This is our second multiplication. If first multiplication is greater than second multiplication, hence we say that first rational number A upon B is greater than C upon D. Now second, if first multiplication A cross D or A multiplying by D is less than B into C. If A multiplying D is less than B multiplying C, then first rational number A upon B is less than C upon D. And third, if first multiplication is equal to the second multiplication, at that time that two rational numbers are equal. This is our order relation of a rational number. Okay, means in that video we have seen that the information about the real numbers and the order relation of rational number. Properties of rational number. Properties of rational number म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला परिमेय संख्यांचे गुणधर्म बघायचे. A, B, C are rational number. Are rational number. Now, in there, first is that the addition properties. Addition properties. We see that the addition properties of rational number. In that, first property is a commutative property. Commutative. Commutative ला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो आपण क्रमनिरपेक्षता. क्रमनिरपेक्षता means commutative means addition of two rational number which are the A plus B, that's equal to B plus A. For example, we know that 2 is a rational number, 3 is also a rational number. 2 plus 3. Example, we see here 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Both the answer is comes to the same. That property is known as our commutative property. Now second property is a associative property. That is a associative property. Associative property त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो साहचर्य. साहचर्य सिंपल है. In first bracket A plus B plus C, that's equal to A plus, in second bracket we are prepared now, B plus C, means addition of three numbers. We take the first two number first bracket, and next time second and third number we are make bracket and make the addition. Answer is comes to the same. Now third property is a identity. Third is a identity. आयडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी, त्याला मराठीत म्हणतो आपण अविकारक. means a plus 0 that's equal to a, that's equal to 0 plus a. means what is the identity? 0 is our, when we add a 0, answer is comes to that number, means 0 is our comes the identity. Now after that inverse, third property, that is the inverse. Inverse त्याला म्हणतो आपण वेस्ट. means a plus minus a is equal to 0. Inverse property means sum of the two numbers is comes to equal to 0. It is known as the inverse in their addition properties. Now next we see that the multiplication properties of rational number. Multiplication properties. Multiplication. First we see that the addition properties of rational number. Now similar way we see that the multiplication properties of rational number. Similar first properties of commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication, that is all of you knows that a multiplied b is equal to b multiplied a. Now second property is comes here associative property. Associative property. In associative property, a cross b cross c. Now suppose I get the multiplication of first number in first bracket, that's equal to a cross bracket b cross c. This is the associative property. Now third is the identity property. Identity. A into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. Here 1 is our identity. Now next is a inverse. Inverse property. A multiplying by 1 upon a is equal to 1. Now multiplication of two numbers is comes to equal to 1. It is the inverse of that numbers. Hence we say that here a multiplying by 1 upon a is equal to 1. Also we write down that's equal to 1 upon a into a is equal to 1. Here a is not equal to 0. We have seen that the properties of rational number. In that first property is the addition properties, and after that we have seen that the multiplication properties.